In this video, I'm going to show you how to rearrange pages of your cookbook. So this is actually my Halloween cookbook, so it's a little crazy and kooky, but um, first things first, you're going to hit Arrange Pages at the top. And there's a couple of different ways that you can go through and arrange these pages. You can choose to click and drag a recipe page. You can drag this into any um, section that you want. You could just rearrange it any way you want to. You could do this with pictures. You could click this picture of me as Annie Wilkes. You can just drag that around, put it anywhere you want. So there's that option. And then you can also go over to auto arrange pages, and this, it'll say, to use this, you must have the section divider for each recipe category. Recipes must already be in your book, and all recipes must have an assigned category. Now, let's say see how this says breakfast right here? Let's go over to these Wicked Witch waffles, okay? And let's say that my category actually says breakfasts instead of breakfast, okay? Just that one little change. If you go up to arrange pages and hit auto arrange pages, it'll say, uh-oh, you don't have a section divider called breakfasts. So that's telling me that there's a problem because I know I have a breakfast category. So that's why if you ever see those issues, you're going to have to check and make sure that all of your recipe categories are the same. Make sure they're the same and that they're consistent throughout. So I'm going to go back and hit breakfast instead of breakfasts. Go to arrange pages, say auto arrange pages, and say auto arrange. And that's actually going to put everything in alphabetical order. Now, I already had everything in alphabetical order, so it probably really won't make that much of a difference right now, but that's how you do it. So, as long as you have a category and everything is consistent throughout your category and your section divider title, then you're good to go. If you have any more questions, let us know. Send us an email to support@createmycookbook.com. Thanks.